A number of media outlets reported that the occasion's broadcaster aired a close-up replay of Farber's backside in the course of the boulder semifinals final week, prompting the game's governing physique to publish an apology. The IFSC condemns the objectification of the human physique and can take additional motion to ensure that it to cease, and to guard the athletes, learn a statement. It is nearly a repeat of an incident that occurred in the course of the World Cup in June. The Place IFSC's host broadcaster Orf issued an apology to Farber after airing inappropriate photographs of the climber. On the time, Farber launched a statement on social media saying she had been left embarrassed and known as on folks to cease sexualizing ladies in sports activities and begin to recognize their efficiency. Farber was not instantly obtainable for remark after the newest incident in Russia. However, IFSC President Marco Skolaris mentioned the group should cease making the identical errors. What number of instances will issues must be performed unsuitable earlier than we learned to do them proper? He mentioned in an announcement. Sport climbing made its Olympic debut in Tokyo this 12 months and was an enormous hit in the course of the video games. The Worldwide Federation of Sport Climbing, the governing physique for the game of aggressive climbing, issued an apology to Farber for footage taken throughout the ladies' bouldering semifinals on the World CHA. The Worldwide Federation of Sport Climbing, IFSC, wished to deeply apologize to Johanna Farber, Austria Climbing, all of the athletes, and the whole sport climbing group for the photographs that have been broadcast at this time throughout the ladies' boulder semifinal on the IFSC Climbing World Championships Moscow 2021. The company stated in an announcement, Championships on Saturday, September 18, in Moscow, Russia.